We are the Bausde Machinery, a devoted and professional manufacturer for tungsten carbide tools and attachments for industries of construction, mining, telecom, forestry, agriculture, recycling, etc. We mainly produce road milling tools, foundation drilling tools, mining tools, trenching tools, forestry machinery tools, agricultural tools, crushing hammers, chipper blades, etc. We strive to provide superior performance products, customized solutions and services to our clients. To achieve that, we have been enlarging our production scale by continuous investment. Today, we manage full production line chain. We build 130,000 square foot industrial zone, which includes tungsten carbide production line, forging line, CNC machining center, welding workshop, heat treatment center, and quality inspection center. We possess forging lines with 1,000 ton, 630 tons, 315-ton forging equipment. All CNC machining centers equipped with 4-axis platforms and advanced FANUC operation systems. Automatic CNC turning machinery, 1.5-ton heat treatment line, which can process 4 tons of products per day. Automatic brazing production lines, which can produce 30,000 pieces of round shank beads per day. We possess a laboratory with advanced testing equipment such as metallographic microscope, milling devices, Rockwell hardness tester, etc. We apply product inspection before and after each process in our laboratory. We've passed ISO 9001-2015 International Quality System Certification. We aim to meet our customers' different needs by large production scale and advanced management. We are devoted to provide new and old customers with optimal quality products. Short delivery time, competitive prices, and extraordinary after-sales services. Our manufacturing base is located in Ganzhou City, close to Shenzhen and Hong Kong. Taking 2 hours high-speed train can reach our factory fast. Our value is customer satisfaction first. Bausde is expecting to build long-term relationships and partnerships with new and old customers from all over the world.